My name is Martin Arnoudsen, working at OVSoftware as a blockchain specialist, and we are partner of the Blockstart program. What we see in the Netherlands and also in other parts of the world is that the adoption of blockchain and the knowledge of blockchain is sometimes lacking. It's very hard for small, medium enterprises to start a blockchain project. So for us it was really important to become a partner of Blockstart. So what we can deliver in the Blockstart partnership is that first is a workshop or a training or an inspiration session about blockchain. So what is blockchain and how to use it, when to use it, but also we can look into your specific use case. Is that use case a viable use case for blockchain? Is blockchain really the solution there? The second part is the next step is that we can develop that solution for you so that we can make a small proof of concept or a minimal viable product, so that you can really see and you can really feel that that blockchain for your use case is really beneficial. Within the Blockstart program, you benefit from all the partners and all the knowledge from the partners. When you participate in the program, the knowledge within the program is shared between the partners, so you get the most recent information, but you also share your domain knowledge with the partners. So we benefit all from it, but also most importantly is that you get the knowledge and you get the partnerships from the program, and they can help you to get knowledge of blockchain, to leverage your use case and to build a proof of concept with that.